This is Philippine money. But these pieces of paper don't just differ in size or color. They represent different levels of value, trust, and economic history. Today, I'll show you every Philippine banknote, from 1 peso, all the way to 100,000 peso. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why one country needs so many different values of money. Let's start small. This is 1 peso. 1 peso is used for the smallest everyday transactions. Transport fares, small snacks, change at shops. This note exists because money must match daily life. If everything cost hundreds of pesos, buying small things would be impossible. Low-value notes exist because prices rise over time, a process called inflation. As we move from 5 to 10, to 20, to 50 peso, we're moving through the real economy of people. These notes are used for daily food, transport, small shopping, local services. As the Philippine economy grew, prices slowly increased, and higher denominations became necessary. Not because the currency failed, but because the economy expanded. Now we enter the power zone of Philippine money. The 100 peso note represents a full day of expenses for many Filipinos. And this 500 peso is where serious purchasing power begins. As incomes rise, businesses grow, and cities expand. People need fewer notes to make larger payments. Higher denominations are about convenience, efficiency, and trust. This is the 1,000 peso note, the most commonly used high-value banknote in the Philippines. It's used for rent, salaries, electronics, business payments. A country introduces large notes only when people trust the currency. The banking system is stable. Inflation is controlled. This note exists because the Philippine peso has maintained credibility. Now, we move into something very different. These are high denomination and commemorative notes. These notes are not for daily spending. They represent national milestones, economic confidence, historical achievements. A country can only issue such notes when inflation is under control, currency trust is strong, the economy is stable. You might ask, why not just print higher and higher notes? Because history shows us what happens when governments do that. Uncontrolled printing leads to hyperinflation, where money loses meaning. The Philippines avoided that fate by balancing growth and control. From 1 peso to 100,000 peso. This isn't just paper. It's the story of economic growth, inflation management, trust in institutions, and national identity. The value of money doesn't come from ink or paper. It comes from people believing that tomorrow, it will still matter. If you enjoyed this breakdown of money and economics, like the video, subscribe, and comment which country's currency you want to see next.